Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we talked about inner join and we saw an example. In this video, we'll learn about the syntax of inner join and learn how to perform an inner join in SQL. The syntax is as follows. It starts with the select statement, the column names, which is given by column 1, column 2 here, from the first table, then the word inner join, the second table, on the first table name, dot the common column that is common between both the tables equal to second column dot common column that is common between the both of the tables. In the previous video, we came across this example where we had two tables, employees and departments. The employees table has employee ID, name, department ID, and in departments table, it has department ID and department name. In the previous syntax which we saw, the common column here will be department ID. So let's try to perform an inner join on these two tables. So here you can see that we can see the employees table. That is this one, employee ID, employee's name, and department ID. Now let's look at the department table. And this is the department table. Now let's try to perform an inner join in the employees table and the department table. So let's try the table one name, that is employees. Then inner join. What is the second table name? The second table name is departments table. So write departments. On. So what criteria? What is the common column? The common column is department ID. So first table name. The first table name is employees. Dot. The common column, that is department ID, equal to second table, that is departments. Dot. The common column, that is department ID. Now, if you run it, you can see that we get the inner join of the two tables. Now you can see that we get all the columns. If we don't want to show all the columns, and if we just want to show the employee ID, employee name, and department name column, what you can do is you can write here as employee ID, comma, employee name, comma, department name. Now if you run it, it will only show you the employee ID, employee name, and the department name. Now, if you want to show only the employees who have the employee ID 1, so after the inner join has been done, write where employee ID is equal to 1. Now, if you run it, you can see that it will return you the table which has the only person whose employee ID is 1. So that's how you can use inner join in SQL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.